Hey, it's Corey from Distant Imagery. Back to the 3D printer again. So just doing some minor design adjustments to the mount and then printing it out again. I was struggling with some of the bed adhesion, but YouTube, always a winner there. I can't remember the name of the guy, but glue and water, man. Elmer's glue and water. Bed adhesion is perfect now. So yeah. It's great having the printer because we can make these minor changes and then we can print another one and then we can test it, and then the final one will either be the carbon fiber, or if I don't have time for that, we'll just get it milled out of aluminum.